Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Learning English. Today I have this aside for you to practice about past simple tense. បាទសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Cam Learning English សាជាថ្មីដោយថ្ងៃនេះគឺខ្ញុំមានលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់ឬក៏ធ្វើបន្ថែមទៀតអំពី past simple tense ពីព្រោះការពីវីដេអូមុនដូចជាបងប្អូនមួយចំនួនបានតាមដានឬក៏មើលនៅវីដេអូចាស់ៗឬក៏ការពិភាក្សាមុនគឺយើងបានបញ្ចប់អស់ហើយពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ past simple tense បាទដែលចាប់ពីភាគ1រហូតដល់ភាគ7ណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះដែរគឺមាន exercise បាទលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តតែម្ដងអំពី past simple ហ្នឹងអូខេ now let's start everyone អូខេឥឡូវសូមចាប់ផ្ដើមតែម្ដងណាOkay, complete the sentences with the verbs in the brackets. តែចូលបំពេញឬក៏បំពេញប្រយោគទាំងអស់នេះជាមួយនឹងកិរិយាសព្ទនៅក្នុងរង្វង់កញ្ចក់បាទអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាកិរិយាសព្ទគេឲ្យហ្នឹងគឺមាននៅក្នុងរង្វង់កញ្ចក់ហើយអ្វីដែលសំខាន់គឺយើងយកមកបំពេញវាបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទម្រង់បាទថាតើវាជា positive negative ឬក៏ question បាទវាជាប្រយោគមួយណាបាទស្ថិតនៅក្នុងទម្រង់ស្របសំណួរឬក៏បដិសេធបាទអញ្ចឹងបើសិនស្របទាំងអស់បាទយើងដាក់ស្របទៅបើសិនសំណួរទាំងអស់ក៏យើងដាក់សំណួរឬក៏បដិសេធក៏យើងដាក់តាមទម្រង់របស់គេតែម្ដងណាអញ្ចឹងមុននឹងបំពេញគឺយើងត្រូវច្បាស់តើការប្រើប្រាស់កិរិយាសព្ទរបស់យើងហ្នឹងមុននឹងយើងបំលែងទៅជា verb to យើងត្រូវដឹងថាតើកិរិយាសព្ទនោះជា regular verb ឬក៏ irregular verb ណាជាកិរិយាសព្ទទៀងទាត់ឬក៏ជាកិរិយាសព្ទប្រែប្រួលហើយយើងត្រូវបំលែងវាដោយត្រូវតាមទម្រង់នៃទម្រង់ past tense ណា Okay now let's start everyone number 1 Tina the verb begin her new diary last Monday morning yes so in the past tense sentence everyone so begin you have to write to be began right okay and number 2 Thomas the verb play the guitar and Sonia sing yeah so in the past too yeah and Thomas play play is a regular verb right okay ed and Sonia sing yeah sing is irregular verb sing to sing to sing right and number 3 the two kids the verb make sandcastle in the beach make everyone make irregular verb right make to made okay and number 4 the monkeys some bananas in the zoo the verb eat chắc eat ហ្នឹងគឺជា regular ឬក៏ irregular eat to ate ចឹងភាសា eat ហ្នឹងគឺជា irregular verb right and number 5 Jonah or Joanna the verb change some money at the bank change is a regular verb right okay so just add d right okay and number 6 Walter book some tickets for the next concert right book ចឹងគឺសព្ទ book ហ្នឹងគឺជាការសព្ទទៀងទាត់ right ed okay so number 7 they build an animal hospital in Haiti so build is irregular verb right so you have to change to build right okay with t no d in here okay so number 8 Daniel the verb look after Lorena's baby last Saturday evening so look is a regular verb right okay 8 ed number 9 my daughter show the verb show me her notebooks so is also regular verb so you just add ed and number 10 direct become the verb a famous writer so become change to be became right became a famous writer and number 11 my husband the verb grow tomatoes and cucumbers in the orchard so grow is irregular right so you have to change to grew okay and number 12 Number 12, Marilyn, the verb learn, to swim in 1 month. So learn, can two way, can be regular or irregular verb, right? If regular verb, you just add ed, and for the other one, for irregular verb, you just add t, right? Two ways. You can say learned, or you can write down learned, or learn with ed. And number 13, Catherine, the verb teach her son to be polite. So teach everyone, teach to taught. Okay, irregular verb. And number 14, the teachers explain the lesson clearly. So explain is regular verb, right? Explain, add ed. Okay. And number 15, somebody, the verb steal my mobile phone. So steal is irregular, right? So steal to stole. And number 16, they kidnap the little girl. Kidnap is regular verb. So kidnap it's a CVC form, everyone. So you add one more p and then add ed. Kidnapped. Okay. Number 17, William, the verb threw the ball to his school friend. So throw is regular or irregular, everyone. Throw is irregular, right? Okay. Throw. Okay, and number 18, Philip. Philip. The verb milk the cow, and the verb feed the rabbits in the farm. Okay, so Philip milk, milk is a verb, not noun in here, everyone. So you add ed, regular verb, and feed, right? Okay, so feed to, what's it? To fed. Okay, fed the rabbits. And number 19, the shepherd, the verb take the sheep to the countryside. So take is irregular verb to took. Number 20, Christopher, speak 5 languages fluently. So speak to spoke, right? Irregular verb. And number 21, the friendly girl, the verb recommend me to follow her. So recommend, everyone. Recommend is regular, right? To recommend it. Okay. And number 22, the magician, the verb do some good tricks. Do, everyone. Do to did, right? Okay. Okay, so number 23, Paul, the verb feel. What is said when he stopped? The verb have the accident. So feel is irregular verb, fail to felt. And have to had, right? And number 24, Joy, the verb answer the phone and help me. Okay, so answer is regular verb, right? You just add ed. And how about help? Help is also a regular verb, everyone. Okay, just add ed too. Number 25, my uncle Antonio, the verb earn a lot of money in his job. So earn, everyone. Okay, just add ed. Regular verb. And number 26, Adeline, the verb design some fashionable jewelry. So design is regular verb, right, everyone? So you just add design, yeah, just add ed. And number 27, Jimmy and Tony, find some old toys in the attic. Yeah, so find to found, right? Number 28, the German politician, decide to let us some money. Yeah, so decide, actual verb, to decide it. Number 29, the house, get on fire, so I lose all my book. Okay, so get to God, and lose to lost. Okay, lost. And number 13, Samantha understand my situation in a foreign country. Yeah, so understand, everyone, to understood. Okay, so irregular verb. And number 31, I scratch my brother's back tenderly. Okay, so scratch is regular verb, right? Okay, just add ed. And number 32, the two lovers kiss in front of the priest. Yeah, kiss is also regular verb, just add ed. Number 33, Martini, the verb tie a very long letters without any mistakes. Yeah, tie, everyone. Tie is regular verb, just add d. Number 34, the postman carried some heavy parcels to the house. Yeah, carry is regular verb, so finish by y and change y to ed. Number 35, Patrick and Lisa walk to school together. So walk is regular verb, everyone. So you just add ed. Number 36, my dad prepared some fireworks for the party. So prepare is also regular verb. So you just add d. Number 37, Lorenzo and Miriam celebrate their birthday. So celebrate is celebrate. Celebrate is regular verb, right? So celebrated. Yeah, just add d. And 38, we married 5 years ago in Manchester. So marry is regular verb, right? Change y to ied, married. Number 39, Kathy serves tea and biscuit to her friends. Okay, and serve, everyone, is also regular verb, just add d. And number 40, the firemen rescue a lot of people in the earthquake. So rescue, everyone. Okay, rescue is also regular verb, right? Just add d. And number 41, a little girl cry in a corner. Yeah, so cry, change y to ied. Number 42, Lucy remember to send an email to her boyfriend. So remember, everyone. Okay, add ed, regular verb, right? Okay. And number 43, Hector received some bad news from Germany. So what is it? Receive is regular verb, so just add d. Okay, receive. Okay, and number 44, you wear a beautiful black dress on Christmas Day. So where is irregular verb? wear chain to wall, right? And number 45, Helen hear some strange noises in the garden. So here is irregular verb. Hear to heard, right? Heard. And number 46, the dog. Yeah, the verb hide. Some bones in the cupboard. Yeah, the cupboard. So hide to hit, right? Okay, hit. Irregular verb 2. Number 47, Emily and Sonia. The verb choose. Yeah, and a dispenser ring for their mother. So choose to everyone to choose. Okay. And number 48, the boy, yeah, ate the soup and he liked it. So eat to ate, right? And like, everyone, like is a regular verb, so you just ate the, yeah, light. And number 49, the little man, yeah, snore loudly in the suitcase. Yeah, so snore, everyone, snore is, yeah, regular verb, right? Just ate the. Number 50, Martin, yeah, verb rent a small flat in London. Yeah, so rent is regular verb, right? Yeah, rented. Yeah, just add ed. And number 51, yeah, Lola, verb ring the doctors at midnight. So ring is irregular verb to ring, right? Ring. Okay. So that's all for exercise, everyone. Okay, from number 1 to number 51. Okay, so if anyone want to learn about English, yeah, all tense and any grammars, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and to get the recent video. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.